الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم.
Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make desi tea in a microwave in literally 2 or 3 minutes. For this you will need some milk, tea bag, some cardamom pods which is also known as lychee. First of all you put the tea bag in your mug, add 2 or 3 lychees, then you add some milk, a little bit of milk, place in the microwave, heat it for about 2 minutes, keep watching so the milk doesn't spill. When the milk is nice and warm, then you add in your sugar, then you put the kettle on and put in the boiling water. Now give it a good stir and your desi tea is ready. You can leave in the tea bag or take it out. It's up to you. It depends if you like it strong or not. You can now enjoy this desi tea in less than 3 minutes. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.